Hello, in today's video I'll explain how to replace the scale inhibitor in MOVA Z60 Ultra base station. In order to replace the scale inhibitor, you'll need to open the door on top of the base station that you probably don't see right now, and take the clean water tank out. Now, it is recommended to use protective gloves for it because that's what is recommended by the manufacturer. I don't know necessarily whether it's just the substance in it or that there's anything sharp. I've replaced it and I don't think that there's something sharp, but they recommend using a protective glove. Though I'll just do it like that because you can see there's no water there, so I think I can just do it like that. And for the first thing you need to do is to remove the tube. So there's this tube, you need to pull it up like that. You can see right here that it's now removed. I'll take it out so it doesn't bother me. And now I can take out the old scale inhibitor. You can see it's not the easiest thing to do, but if you're careful enough, you'll do it. Then you can put a new one in. It should be replaced every 18 to 36 months. And it reduces the limescale buildup in your water, which is very important because this robot has a hot water system, and hot water causes, like, if it's a hard water, it will cause basically limescale buildup, which may be bad for your robot functioning. Now you can put it in to decide whether to do it every 18 or 36 months. First, you need to check how hard is your water. Water has its hardness, and you can just look it up on the internet how hard it is in your city. Yeah, as you can see, I've put it in, and now I can put the tube in, basically. Yeah, so check how hard is the water. If it is hard, then definitely every 18 months, not 36. If it's soft or like medium soft, then it can be 36, but it also depends on how much water you actually use. If you refill the tank very often, then maybe you'll need to replace it more like 18 months, maybe 24, and 36 if you just use the floor cleaning every week and not every day, right? So it's just that shouldn't be replaced less frequently than 36 months for sure. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.